Hello everyone! Using the point of control for your day trades can be very beneficial, and I will show you how to get more edge and confirmation through reading the order flow. I will also show you some real-life examples of how it works and what to avoid. Let's get started. You might like other of my videos about day trading. It goes from interesting tips and setups for beginners to more advanced techniques for experienced traders. And here are my playlists. Thank you very much. Now back to today's video. This example shows how it should ideally look like. You can see a lot of limit buy orders creating a support, and they appear right when the price hits the point of control, yellow line. We can also see a big market sell order with no continuation lower. So this is telling us that the sellers are exhausted. The chart, it was this small indecision candle, and at this point we could expect to move up, would at least retest the green line, which is the first standard deviation of the weekly VWAP, and that really happened. The second example has also created a great buying opportunity. You can see a big buy order right at the point of control, and when we retest the point of control again, more limit buy orders appeared to create a support, and the move up begins. Let's look at what to avoid. The market is chopping around the point of control. There is a lot of noise, many buyers and sellers, and we can't really tell what comes next. The best we can do is to wait for another setup. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. And if you really mean it with trading, you can join a free version of our Discord community, where I share more setups and education, and you can ask me to get my in-depth analysis on your trade or setup for free. I will choose 3 of your questions every week and give a public answer everyone can see and benefit from. Just click the link below in description. Thank you very much and see you next time.